Hello, good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channels. Now you can see this is rose, red rose. This is very beautiful flower, and I can touch this flower, and you can see these are leaves, beautiful leaves. Now you can see this is the evening view of my village, and you can see also apple trees. And you can see also this is the natural brush. You can see, and close view, you can see these are leaves, and I don't know what is the real name of this plant, but I know these are the natural brush and toothpaste. And village peoples use these trees branches like as a brush. And this is the apricot tree, you can see there. And this is my mini vlog. So now you can see evening view. And you can guys, you can see greenery and sunset view of my village. So guys, it's time to say goodbye because this is my mini vlog. So bye bye guys.